Your landlord doesn't actually care if your stuff burns down. The standard explanation is straightforward. Renter's insurance protects your belongings, your furniture, electronics, clothing if they're damaged or stolen. Your landlord requires it. The policy costs maybe $15 to $30 a month. Everyone accepts this as simple risk management, makes sense, protects you, done. But here's what the mandate actually covers. The standard renter's policy includes 3 distinct protections: personal property coverage, that's your stuff; liability coverage, if someone gets hurt in your apartment and sues you; and additional living expenses, if your unit becomes uninhabitable, the insurer pays for a hotel while repairs happen. The personal property part is the visible piece, but it's not the reason landlords mandate it. The landlord's building is already insured. Their policy covers the structure, the roof, the walls. Your stuff burning doesn't affect their claim, so why the requirement? Liability coverage, that's the real mandate. If you accidentally cause a fire and it spreads to the building next door, or if a guest slips and fractures their spine in your unit, the liability claim can exceed hundreds of thousands of dollars. The landlord isn't your defendant, you are. Your renter's insurance becomes the first line of payment. Without it, you're personally liable. A judgment could follow you for years. The landlord requires the policy so that if you cause damage, your insurer pays, not them, not their insurer, not a court settlement that drains their operating budget. The mandate protects the landlord's financial stability, not your belongings. The personal property coverage is secondary, a selling point for you, the renter. It makes the policy feel fair, like mutual protection. But the economic mechanism is one-directional. Your landlord's risk is reduced. Your financial exposure is capped. The requirement exists because liability is the real exposure in shared housing. This is why the policy is non-negotiable in most leases. It's not optional risk mitigation, it's a contractual transfer of liability. The landlord has already calculated the cost of potential lawsuits. A $30 monthly premium is far cheaper than defending against one claim. The math is clean, the mandate is rational. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Subscribe, we decode the economic logic behind the contracts that govern your life, one hidden mechanism at a time. Subscribe, we decode the economic logic behind the contracts that govern your life, one hidden mechanism at a time. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research.